Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use voice typing in Google Docs app. So if you want to do multitasking, or if you want to take notes quickly or simply prefer speaking over typing, you can just activate or use the voice typing features in the Google Docs applications. So first, you can just open the document or start a new document. I'm going to just click on this plus icon and then create a new docs file. So basically, to use the voice typing feature, you just need to make sure that the microphone is on your device. And in here, what you need to do is just click on this microphone button on your keyboard. You can see the microphone icon at your keyboard. So on my keyboard in here, the microphone is on here. So I'm going to just go like this, and you guys can see here it will automatically start recording my voice into text. So you can just talk to your phone, and it will write you the things that you said on the microphone. And if you want to stop, you can just tap on the microphone icon again. You can see, but you need to make sure that you are recheck the text, because some of the text is not really recorded accurately. So you can just fix the text. For example, in here, I'm going to change it into, sorry, you can just go back first and then write the correct text. And if you want to talking again of, or if you want to do the voice typing again, you can just click on this microphone icon again, and it will start record your voice automatically again. If you want to go to the settings of the microphone, you can click on this gear icon, and in here you'll see the Google voice typing settings. You can see there, you can block offensive words, you can choose the languages, or if you want, you can also add a new language to the Google voice typing. Okay, you can go back again, and just like that, that's how you can use voice typing features in Google Docs applications. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share your favorite voice typing tips or question in the comments below, and subscribe for more expert Google Docs tutorial and productivity hacks. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye.